Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Caitlin and I post beauty videos. Today I'm going to show you how I created this super quick, super easy, no makeup look. This is going to be my winter version of this look. During the summer I will be using completely different products for this type of look that I am right now. All the products that I'm using today are super hydrating and super dewy, and those are products that I probably would not use in the summer. In the summer I'll be using more matte products, more water resistant products, something that's going to stay through the sweat and the heat. But for now, I just need something that's going to give me a lot of moisture because my skin is very dry at the moment. It kind of seems silly to have a no makeup look, but I think it's super helpful for days when either you don't have time or you don't feel like it. So on days when you're in a rush to go somewhere, or if it's just a day where you're going to the grocery store, you're going shopping, maybe you're going to class, you just need something quick to throw on to where you feel put together, but you also don't really want to put in any effort. That's what this is helpful for. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this, please keep watching. So I'm starting out with a completely clean face. All I have on is moisturizer from a little bit earlier. I'm going to start out by taking some Goldlite Strobe Cream by MAC and applying that to my face. This stuff is awesome because it gives you such a pretty glow without being super heavy on the skin. Sometimes I even wear this when I'm not wearing any form of makeup at all. I'll just throw this on, let it dry, and then go out like that. Okay, so now that that's dried, I'm going to go ahead and go in with some concealer. This concealer is by Maybelline, and it's the Instant Age Rewind, and I have it in the color Light. I'm also going to apply that to any areas where I normally get a little bit red, which for me is my chin, the sides of my nose, and a little bit on my forehead. Then using a Morphe sponge, I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. This concealer is really great because not only does it conceal really well, it also helps to treat dark circles, which is super unique for a concealer, especially a drugstore concealer. So now, like usual, I'm going to go ahead and set my under eyes with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. So instead of setting my entire face like I normally would, I'm just going to take a little bit of powder in my T-zone. For powder, I'm using this one by MAC, and this is the Studio Care Blend powder in the color Light Plus. This powder is really great because it's super gentle on dry skin. There aren't many powders that are truly suitable for dry skin, and this is one of them. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of bronzing. So with this look, you don't want to do any form of contouring or sculpting. You really just want to do a little bit of bronzing. That way it comes off super natural and super effortless. I'm taking this dual-ended highlighting and bronzing stick by MAC, and this is the Quick Trick stick in the color Bare End and Earthnut, and I'm using the bronzer from this. I'm just taking it on any areas of my face that I would like to warm up, which for me is my forehead and right underneath my cheekbones. Now I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out. Taking any bronzer I may have left over on my brush, I'm just going to take it along the sides of my nose. I'm going back in with the sponge that I used to blend out my concealer, and I'm going to go right underneath my cheekbones because I may have pulled down the bronzer a little bit too far, just to kind of clean it up. I am going to add just a little bit of blush to my cheeks just to give me more of a natural glow. For blush, I am using Orgasm by Nars. Now for some glow, I'm taking these CoverFX drops in the color Moonlit, and I'm going to add a little bit to the back of my hand. Then with my beauty sponge, I'm going to apply it to my cheekbones. When you apply it with a beauty sponge, you get a lot more of a natural look as to where if you apply it with your finger, it comes off a lot stronger, which is great, just not really what we're going for. I'm also going to apply it right to the center of my nose, my other cheekbone. I'm going to take my pinky finger and apply a little bit to the inner corners of my eyes just to brighten up everything. Anytime you put shimmer on the inner corner of your eyes, it makes you look a lot more awake, a lot more vibrant, which is specifically good on days where you're trying to forgo most of your makeup. So now for my brows, I'm going to take this brow gel by MAC. This is their Pro Longwear Waterproof Brow Set, and this is in the color Bold Brunette. Gives your brows some color, that way you can avoid filling them in. I like to just brush my eyebrows upward. Now for a lot of you, you could probably avoid mascara just depending on how your lashes are. I know for me, I have brown lashes and they're kind of hard to see if I'm not wearing mascara, so I do feel like for me this is a step that is necessary. If you have long dark lashes, then you can probably forgo this step. For mascara, I'm just using my regular mascara. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. That is so hard to say. Okay, so now for the last step. I don't really like to wear any lipstick or lip gloss on days like these where I don't really want to wear makeup just because I feel like it's too much. So what I like to do is wear either a tinted chapstick or a lip conditioner or chapstick that has a little bit of a shine to it. So for me, I really enjoy this lip conditioner by MAC. It's super shiny on the lips and also it hydrates them, so it's kind of a 2-for-1. Also, like pretty much every other lip product MAC sells, it smells super good, so that's good. So guys, here is the final look. If you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful, please leave a comment down below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Thanks.